Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a growth option in Dokkan Battle. So let's tap the team menu. This one, I want to show you this one. So tap the growth. This video is special for a beginner or new to the game. So this is like a general option to training your unit or awaken your unit. Like maybe you want to level up one of your unit. I give you example. Let's tap this guy. In this page you can train your unit and maximize his level like this. If you have a training item, you can get this training item from event mostly or from Baba shop. After you use this training item, you can use this training location, and this location also give you some benefit like gain an extra 50,000 experience per training partner. You can get this training location also from event or from Baba shop. Let's try this one, graffiti chamber, and tap begin. But if you want to keep it simple, tap max growth to make it automatically fill the training partner and training item. So thank you for watching. Feel free training to your favorite unit, and please start with the LR first or start with your leader of like this is the leader skill. Start with the unit with good leader skill. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.